Hi, I'm Gary, the old geek guy, and I'm going to show you a snippet today, or that is a short vlog on how to move apps around on your home screens on your iPhone and on your iPads. So let's get started. To do so, you want to tap anywhere outside of one of the icons, of any of the icons, and tap and hold until the icons begin to jiggle, like they're jiggling now, you can see. Once they start doing that, you can take your finger and hold on top of an app, press and hold, and then you can move that app anywhere you want to around on the screen, like that. Well, let's take this app here and let's move it over here like that. I like that app there. I like this app right next to it like that, so the two of those are together. And that way, you tap anywhere else in the screen, and when you tap, they stop jiggling, and that's where they'll stay. Okay, let's say you want to move, this one right here, you want to move it to another page, like this page here, okay? So I'm going to take the same thing anywhere else on the screen, tap and hold until they start jiggling like that, okay? And then hold it and move it all the way over to the right until it moves to the next page, and then let go. So now you have that app on the new page. Tap anywhere on the screen, they stop wiggling, and it stays there. So let's move this back, and I'm going to show you now how to move a whole bunch of apps or a batch from one screen to another. So what we do is we press and we hold that app like that and move it just a little bit to the bottom or the side, just move it away a little bit, and then tap on all the other ones with your finger, one at a time, and you'll see how they move to that app that you still have your finger on. And now you can move that whole batch anywhere you want to on any page you want to. Let's move it over here and let go, and there all those same icons and applications have moved to the new screen. So that's how you move them around a little bit, and it makes it a lot easier for you to find the app that you want to use, that you use normally or all the time. Like I use Yahoo, and I use Bitwarden, and I use several other apps all the time. I like to have them handy where I can find them real quick. So I hope this is helpful to you, and so we'll see you again next time.